Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on crow in English. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Crow is a bird. It is black in color. It has black feathers, black legs and a black beak. It lives on trees. It has a strong and sharp beak. Crow eats flesh, worms and insects. The sound of crow is cow cow. It can fly high in the sky. It is said that crow brings good news. Crow is a very clever bird. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.